The 2013 Ferrari 458 Spider HPE700 by Hennessey Performance. Back in February, Hennessey Performance announced that it was preparing to update the 2013 Ferrari 458 Italia Spider. Now, it looks like the upgrade is complete, as the tuner took the 458 Spider HPE700 out for testing. While the tuner has not released the details on its new HPE700 package, we do know from the previous upgrade kits that the update will include a new twin-turbocharger system, plus a remapped ECU. With all these changes, the final output has been taken up to more than 700 horsepower, quite an increase over the car's standard 570 horsepower. There is also a new set of wheels, new high-performance brakes and a new suspension system. As an option, buyers can add in a set of F458 Sport Racing catalytic converters for $4,194 for an extra 24 horsepower and 20 pound-feet of torque, and a set of F458 Sport headers for $4,794 that bump power by another 34 horsepower and 38 pound-feet or torque, plus they weigh 13 pounds less than the stock manifolds. All we can say is that we cannot wait to see what the HPE850 and the HPE1000 packages can do. Click past the jump to see the Ferrari 458 Spider by Hennessey Performance going from 0 to 150 miles per hour. 700 HP Ferrari 458 Spider twin turbo acceleration testing.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.